Alright, chemistry students. In the previous video, you saw what acids do when they're added to water and how they throw off the balance of hydronium ions, H3O plus, and hydroxide ions, OH minus. Now we're going to learn how bases can throw off the balance, but all in a different way. So what bases do, bases remove H3O plus or remove hydronium ions out of the water. So one common example of a base that we've been looking at is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate. And sodium bicarbonate's molecule looks like this. It's actually a salt that has part sodium and then part bicarbonate ion. So this is a sodium molecule right here. Sodium. And then as before, these are oxygens, the O's. This C is a carbon. And then this H is a hydrogen. So we're going to look at what happens when we dump in sodium bicarbonate into water. So if we zoomed in on a piece of water with sodium bicarbonate in it, it would look something like this. So we've got the sodium right here. That sodium has disassociated or left the bicarbonate ion. So now, once in the water, they move apart. Okay? So the sodium is surrounded by water molecules. It's doing its own thing. And now we have this bicarbonate ion, and we got this O with a negative charge, this oxygen with a negative charge. So what this oxygen is going to be looking for, it's going to be looking to take a hydrogen ion, or H plus ion, to help balance it out. And it's going to try to find that from a hydronium ion, because that hydronium ion is like water, except it has that extra H plus on it, making it H3O instead of H2O. So that minus oxygen is going to find a hydronium ion, take that extra H plus from it, and then that hydronium ion turns back into water. So the result of that is that this time the concentration of hydronium ions actually goes down. And that's because a hydronium ion that was already floating in the water got changed into an H2O. So that hydronium ion is now gone, and now it's an H2O molecule. So that means the balance of hydronium ions, or the concentration, is less than the concentration of hydroxide ions. Okay? So the number of hydronium ions is less than the number or concentration of hydroxide ions, making this a basic or alkaline solution. So acids, they add hydronium ions to solutions. Bases help take away or remove hydronium ions in solution. So when you add a base, you're going to see the concentration of hydronium ions go down, so that the number of hydroxide ions is actually greater now, making this a base. Okay, use this final video to help you answer the rest of the notes questions and move on to the exit ticket questions, where you're going to be looking at two other examples of acids and bases and predicting how they're going to react in water. Good luck.